Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be doing some work on a BMW 535i. So, without further ado, let's get to it. X-Drive. Let's do it. So this is in fact a BMW, as you can see. And we're going to do a little video. There's a sensor. There's a sensor back here. Let me show you. Some of the sensors, they break. Right here. Right there. That sensor it's back in there and it's loose. And here's another sensor. And there's a bunch of them around the vehicle. But this one is loose and it keeps detecting the back of the plastic. And it makes a horrendous noise. A loud noise, and it's really annoying, this loud noise. So I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna show you how to stop that noise. Alright, we're gonna start the car up. Alright, and then once you put in reverse, that's when you'll hear that annoying sound. Hear that sound? To stop it, press this button right here. You press that button, and that annoying backing sound from the sensor will stop right here. And as you can see, it stopped. I'm putting it back in park. There we go. Now let me put it in drive for a minute and go forward. So, and I got my seat belts on and everything. So be safe. So it's in park, and so right here. Watch this. You put it in reverse. Hear that noise? Press that button and it stops. Alright. There you go. Well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. Well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. Remember, this button right here is how you stop that noise. And remember, happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.